Hi, I'm Zach with Nagios. Today we'll be going over how to get NCPA on your Windows 11 device to monitor with Nagios XI. First, we'll be downloading and installing NCPA, then we'll access the Web GUI, and finally, we'll get it monitoring using Nagios XI. Let's get right into it. From the desktop, open a web browser and navigate to nagios.org/ncpa. Go ahead and click Downloads and click on exe installer 64-bit. This will begin the download. Once the download is finished, go ahead and open ncpalatest.exe. Select Yes and hit Next. After agreeing to the license agreement, you will be asked to enter a token. This token allows NCPA to communicate with Nagios XI. You can change the port or the bind IP, but for the purposes of this video, we'll leave them default. Hit Next. This next screen is only for users who plan to use NRDP to allow passive checks. In most cases, you can just click Next. You can choose whether you're going to install for anyone on the computer or just this current profile. After selecting, hit Next, and the program will begin to install after you click Install. Click Finish once the installation is complete. Next, we are going to ensure that the NCPA is running correctly. First, hit the Windows button and open Services. From here, ensure that the Nagios cross-platform agent is running. Now that we know the service is running, we can return to our web browser and go to https:// then your host's IP address, :5693. You'll likely get a warning that your connection is not private. You can click Advanced and proceed to your IP address. Now you'll be asked to enter the token that you specified during installation. And now you have access to the NCPA Web GUI. To begin monitoring, return to your web browser and navigate to Nagios XI. Monitoring your Windows device with Nagios XI is made easy using configuration wizards. On the left bar, go to the gear and click on Configuration Wizards. Search for NCPA and click it. You'll enter the IP address of the NCPA host. You'll specify the port and the token that you set during installation. For System, choose Windows. Hit Next, and if you don't get this screen, double check that you have the correct IP address and token. From this page, you can change host information. I'll change the host name to my host. You can monitor warning and critical thresholds for CPU, user count, RAM, disk, and network usage. The values on the right can help you gauge what thresholds to set, and you can add additional services, processes, and plugins below. You can go ahead and click Next, and this next screen will have the Nagios settings. For the purposes of this video, I will hit Finish with Defaults. Once the verification is complete, you can hit View Status Details for my host to ensure that it is running. On this screen, you'll see the status of your different services like CPU usage, disk usage, bandwidth, memory usage, swap usage, and user count. Some services may be pending for the first few minutes that you create the host. You have now installed, configured, and set up NCPA for Windows 11 with Nagios XI. Thank you for watching the video. For more helpful content, visit our YouTube channel, and if you need further support, visit support.nagios.com. See you in the next one.